Blockchain enables the long tail of economics, finance, and governance. So just like we saw with Amazon and eBay, any tiny market of a buyer wanting to buy a specific music title or book title could meet a seller of that title on the internet, on Amazon or eBay. Similarly, we can now rethink economics and governance in long-tail applications involving blockchain. So what this might mean is that, for example, I don't want a standard 30-year mortgage. I want a mortgage more structured in line with the events in my life. And so I could go onto an eBay of financial services and post the kind of terms for the mortgage I'm looking for and find a party willing to finance me. Again, there'll be algorithmic escrow methods to assure the certainty of the financial transaction. But the point is that financial services and governance services no longer need to be one size fits all. There can be as many different kinds of financial services as users have a demand for, and creativity in the structuring of those. Also, there no longer need to be banks or other financial services institutions in the middle as intermediaries taking a chunk of the transaction fees, but rather the network can enforce the trust and enforce the contract terms of the agreements. So this is a huge step forward in modernization in allowing long-tail economic and governance services with blockchain technologies.